This brief video tutorial demonstrates how to create your portfolio pages using your WordPress admin section. So here you can see one that we already created, and I always say let's keep your portfolio all looking consistent. So we'll go in here and copy this article. And we're going to go in and view all the posts, create a new post. We are going to then paste that information in that we had before, which already holds our formatting. And here we can simply delete this picture, add a new photo. We're going to upload our photo. Here you can see we have a Lake Forest image already prepared. When we insert this picture, we want to do it at the full size. We want to add some alternate text, which is good for search engine optimization. And we are going to say Lake Forest local tile grout cleaning and repair contractor. We'll insert this into our article. We will then revise all the text content in the body to describe the new project location and work type. Here I have already done that and I've just pasted it in. Most importantly, we will title the article intelligently to list the location and the type of service. So here we'll say tile floor grout cleaning and repair contractor in Lake Forest. Select the category you wish to place this post in. That way it will show up on the correct page, which we have coded on the front end of your website. You can then publish this article. We'll go back to the front end and hit refresh on our portfolio page. And now we'll see our new location pop up here. Tile floor grout cleaning and repair contractor in Lake Forest. We'll click the read more to see the full article. And here you can see the full article. We'll take this URL here, which is your link. We're going to go back to your post and we're going to make this image clickable. It sort of is nice for your blog to be able to just click on the image and go to that location. So if we go back here again to our project portfolio, I can see now that that image is now clickable and will bring us to our article. And now we have an additional article on the website that is titled intelligently to include the name of the service and the location. These are all things that somebody might enter into a search engine while searching for your business and service. The tutorial you just saw shows you how to duplicate portfolio posts in your WordPress blog, and also again reminds you to title your articles intelligently to include the location and type of service which was performed. Also including keywords like contractor and local are important because those are also things that a search engine user may enter into a search engine.